I'm here with Kevin Perry from SAE, and we are at the grand opening of the AR&D Training Center near Madison, Wisconsin. And Kevin, tell us a little bit about what SAE is doing to enhance standards and things that are going to help us out in the shop as we attempt to start working on these hybrid vehicles.
Sure. Well, Jim, SAE, of course, has a long history in standards development. That's really how the society started more than 100 years ago. And in the hybrid and electric vehicle arena, we have for some years and will continue to develop standards that pertain to various components and systems within hybrid and electric vehicles. So one of the more firmly established standards that's already made its way into these types of vehicles is what's known as J1772, the electrical connector that standardizes how vehicles that plug into current make that connection. So SAE created a standardized connector. That's an example of dozens and dozens of additional standards that are either in development or already out there. Now what that means for the service technician is that as these standards continue to be developed and make their way onto production vehicles, as they find their way into repair facilities, technicians can count on less and less variation because there will be more standardization as manufacturers begin doing things the same way.
Yeah, you know, that's always been an issue, right, guys? We have always had a situation in the shop where we say, wow, who thought of this? Why can't they make it all the same? And it's folk like this that actually do that for us. Is there anything else that's happening?
We've entered into a partnership where we have reviewed and vetted a 5-day diagnostic course that they do for HEVs that culminates in the opportunity to earn an SAE Certificate of Competency. So in addition to reviewing and vetting the training, SAE applied its expertise to ensure that the final exam is valid and reliable, and for those who pass it, they earn an SAE Certificate of Competency. And we're very encouraged and enthused about our ability to do that, and we hope service technicians will think the same thing. And on the SAE website, we have information about the 5-day diagnostic course that we do with them, and we can be found at sae.org.